this tutorial, we are going to see how we can convert any image to black and white filter with CSS and just in one line of code. Let's get started. Step 1. The HTML setup. Starting with HTML file. Here's the boilerplate of HTML. This is where the visible content of the page goes. Div class container. This is a box that holds all the content neatly together. H1 black and white image effect. Displays a large title for the page. Paragraph adds a short description. IMGSRC alt artist class Grayscale. Adds an image. What this code does. When the page loads, it displays a title, a description, and an image. That's it. Step 2. Styling it with CSS Spice. Now let's style it with CSS. These are the default styles for the entire web page. For the body, font family Arial, sans serif sets a clean and readable font for all text. Margin 0 padding 0 removes default margins and paddings from the page. Text align center centers all the content horizontally. Background color gives a light gray background color. Color sets the text color to a dark gray for better readability. Container. Margin 50 pixels and auto adds space around the container and centers it on the page. Padding 20 pixels adds space inside the container. Max width 600 pixels ensures the container doesn't stretch too wide. Background hashtag FFF sets a white background for the container. Box shadow adds a subtle shadow for a card-like effect. Border radius 8 pixels rounds the corners of the container for a smoother look. Font size 2M makes the heading large and noticeable. Margin bottom 10 pixels adds space below the heading. Font size 1.2M makes the paragraph text slightly bigger for readability. Color number 666 sets a lighter gray color for less emphasis. Grayscale effect. This is where the grayscale magic happens. Grayscale. Width 100% makes the image responsive, so it adjusts to the container's width. Max width 500 pixels ensures the image doesn't become too large. Border radius 8 pixels rounds the corners of the image for a smoother look. Transition 0.3 seconds smoothens the effect when you hover over the image. Filter Grayscale 100% applies the black and white effect to the image. Grayscale hover. Filter None removes the grayscale effect when you hover over the image, revealing the original colors. Transform Scale 1.05 slightly zooms in the image to make it more interactive. This styling makes the web page clean, responsive, and interactive. Perfect for showcasing the grayscale effect. Step 3. The result. And we're done. Let's check out the result. When the page loads, the image starts in black and white. Hover over it and bam, the original colors are back, along with a cool zoom effect. How cool is that? Hope you liked it. Now, either you can have more such tips and tricks by subscribing to us, or it would be a final goodbye. Thank you.